Do you want to screen share on Instagram call? You can share screen in Instagram audio and video calls with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to screen share on Instagram call. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your mobile device to share your screen on Instagram video or audio call. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are on Instagram, go to your direct messages by tapping the message icon in the top right corner. You can also swipe left on the screen. Now, open the chat with the person or group you want to share your screen with. Once you are in the chat conversation screen, tap the video or audio call icon in the top right corner to start a new call. Wait until your friends receive your call. Once the call is connected, you will see video and image icons at the bottom of the screen. If not visible, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. You will see the watch and screen share options at the bottom. Tap on the screen share option. You may need to grant Instagram permission to capture your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to start sharing your screen. This will broadcast whatever is on your screen to the person you are calling. Open any app or screen that you want to share with your friend. To stop sharing your screen, open the Instagram calling screen and tap the Stop Sharing button or simply end the call. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your screen during an Instagram audio or video call.